had. We are deprived to go to the masjid. This is a test from Allah. Can we say Allah is punishing us for not valuing? Again, we shouldn't be doing that. We shouldn't be taking the place of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and saying this is what Allah. We can only say yes. You know, who are the people who are suffering most now because of the close down of masajid? The people who are regular in the masjid. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. And who are the people who are working hard to close the masajid? The people who do not come to the masjid. The people who don't know how does it feel to go to the house of Allah and make sajda there, you know. Okay, Brother Ahmad Atta, please repeat the question. We done that. Okay. Arya, Ya Sheikh, if I happen to live until Ramadan, inshallah, and I have type 2 diabetes, should I fast? Your doctor, you ask your doctor, what does your doctor say? And you follow his instruction, and you have a license. And diabetes is a terminal illness. So you have to make it up by feeding masakeen بإذن الله تعالى. Brother Ismail, now we see the questions on the screen. Alhamdulillah. You see, I'm a good student. I'll work. I'll do my best.